Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll.
Hey guys, apparently there was a huge snowstorm last night. Huge snowstorm. 10 inches. Bring your chains. Yeah, I'm not buying it. Checking out this camp spot. It sucks that it's so close to the road though. The road is just right there. I mean, nobody's on the road, but there's just not really many private places out here, unfortunately. God, it's beautiful though. Ah! It's hailing! This is definitely the craziest trail I've ever taken the bus down. Yeah! God dang, Gus! Yeah, it's probably not that crazy of a trail to some people, but for this old bus, man, doing great. Alrighty. A little bit more protected from the wind with these trees here. Bam. This is the spot. So I'm gonna go ahead and get camp set up. I have a tarp this time, so that's good. I should stay dry from the snow. And I got some firewood. I'm gonna make a fire tonight. And for dinner, I'm cooking homemade pho. I've never made pho before. I've eaten pho once last night, and it was really good. So I decided I'm gonna make it at home tonight too. So. Well, that took longer than it should have, but I got it up. I'm gonna go check out the campsite now, see what we're rocking with. Oh, what we got here? Some funny business, I suppose. Maybe we'll see one of those guys. The last 3 cell phones that I've owned have all been lost in rivers. Let's not go for 4. What? Snow came a day late, apparently. Man, when that wind and rain gets going, holy crap, it gets freaking cold. I'm pretty sure I left my hatchet at the campsite I was at a couple weekends ago. So I'm gonna have to try and get this fire going without it. We'll see how it goes. I'm sure it'll be fine. Let's go make some dinner. Alright, it is 7:45 p.m. It is a crisp 38 degrees in the bus, but I just got the heater on, so that should warm up. And I'm going to give my best attempt at making chicken pho. My new knives were good. They didn't have actual pho noodles, so I just settled with these with yakisoba noodles. So hopefully it works about the same. Let's get these noodles strained. There goes that man again, making way too much noodles. Man, I should have got a bigger bowl. All right. Looks ugly, but I think it'll be delicious. Okay. All right, here's my take on pho. And I'm spilling it, it's hurting. It's more like yakisoba, chicken yakisoba soup. It can't be pho without the pho noodles, right? Yeah, I gotta let that cool off a bit. It's good. Gracias. Oh, that's so good. I want to get better at cooking in here. I'm still learning how to film and cook at the same time. It's a struggle, but I'm doing the best I can. I want to make better food, better videos all around. I don't know how Mav does it in such a tiny area. I'm struggling to cook, and I have 4 times the size as he does. Dinner was... Now I'm gonna get ready for bed. Alright, I climbed up into bed. It's like 9:30. It's 24 degrees outside. But it's 60 in here, thanks to the Mr. Buddy heater. Anyways, good night. That was definitely the best night of sleep I've gotten in the bus so far. I stayed the perfect temperature. Now I don't want to leave. I woke up like 2 hours ago. It's so warm. Hey, you should ride. A little frozen this morning. Alright, I'm gonna start headed home now. But first I gotta finagle my way out of this campsite. Hopefully I can get as lucky as I did coming in. No problem for Gus the bus. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. That was a fun one. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. I'll see you guys in the next video next Thursday. And until then, take care of yourselves.